5.4 metre telescopic lance. This is made of aerospace aluminium. It's very lightweight. Nice big clamps on this one, so nice action on the clamp, and you can lock that back into place. If you flip the clamp up, you can then extend the pole out, and there is a marker to tell you when to stop. Lock that back into place. Move to the next one, open out. Again, take it up to the marker, pop that back into place, and again you can extend all the way up to 5.4 metre. Comes with a harness as well, in which case you can clip it onto the side there, onto the harness. But one nice point that I really like about this particular lance is that you've got an angle on here of 20 degrees on the head. It's fixed. Now you've got a wing nut, so what you can do is undo the wing nut, and then you can alter the angle up to 60 degrees. So you can vary it in any position and then lock it into place between 20 and 60 degrees, which is quite handy. The coupling on the end is a quarter quick release coupling, so you can snap in the standard quarter nozzles that you get with all the Cayenne pressure washers, and swap over the nozzles depending on what you're cleaning. This one is rated up to 4,200 psi at 21 litres a minute. So it is a professional tool. One thing you need to ensure though is when you get it at full flex, if you're hitting it at 4,000 psi, right at the top, you will get a little bit of flex if you're on 60 degrees. So that's just a little tip for you. Perhaps start off at a 20-degree angle and work it from there. But that's the 5.4 metre telescopic lance.